Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Gold Standard Blood Glucose Monitoring System. Product name for this particular blood glucose monitoring system is Black 9001. It is ISO certified and it has a lot of other information on this box as well, like this comes with backlit screen. It has a 5-second timer. It also has a large memory and it also has test light indicators. This particular glucose monitoring system comes with Dr. Trust's patented glucose technology and it is also FDA approved. On this side over here we have some more information. Over here it's written what you will find inside this box. This is the device, the user manual, 2 AAA batteries, a carry case, a lancing device, 10 testing strips and lancets. We will take a look at each of them, of course. Some features are also mentioned here: large LCD with backlight, before after meal presettable, strip ejection function, avoids blood contagion, quick result within 5 seconds, and tiny blood sample 0.5 milliliter required. That's great. Do we have any more information over here? Actually, more or less the same. There's a diagram over here in 4 steps of how to use this particular device. That's also pretty neat. Now let's open this box and take a look at the contents inside. We have some documents. Let's take a look at them first. This is the Dr. Trust Gold Blood Glucose Monitoring System. This is the user manual. Very important. This is also a quick start guide. This is the 1-year warranty for the same. Instructions for using lancing device and sterile lancet. Important, very important. I must say this is a medical instrument, so you should go through all the user manuals at least once. This is standard operating procedure. Yeah. What is this here? Some health advisories over here. You should also read this. This is a self-test logbook for recording your blood glucose levels. This can also be handy. And this is a thank you note or a warranty card from Amazon. So this is the carry bag in which the other components are: the glucose reading machine and the lancing device. Let's take a look. There you can see these are the extra strips. 10 extra strips. This is very neatly packed and I should not be opening them right now. This is the device, the glucose monitoring device. It doesn't have any battery right now. I will insert a battery and I will show you what it looks like when you turn it on. So these are the battery flaps, and there's a USB connecting port over here as well. So that's pretty great. I think this is for charging. I don't know. We have 2 AAA batteries. These are the AAA batteries. I'm going to add them, insert them in the monitoring device. So that's where the batteries go in. I'm going to continue with this unboxing. So this is the lancing device and there's some other stuff over here as well. This is the cap of the lancing device. That's it, and there's nothing else in the bag. This is the lancing device. Opening it is a little bit tricky, so what you have to do is see this arrow over here. I'll give you a closer look. See this arrow over here? You have to turn this knob over here like this first. Yeah, there you go. And then you have to pull and the top comes off. The lancets, this is where the lancets go in. I'm obviously not going to do that because lancets are very sensitive equipment. So I'm going to put it back in and lock it in like so. There. So this is your lancing device. this is the cover for the lancing device. I will leave this here as well. And finally, you have 10 lancets. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Gold Standard Blood Glucose Monitoring System. Thank you for watching.